Listen up, you've been lied to. Self-improvement. Yeah, that shiny little phrase everyone throws around, it's a trap. You think you're getting better just by reading books, watching videos, or buying another habit tracker. Nah, that's a lie designed to make you feel good while you stay soft. Here's the truth. Nobody gives a damn about your comfort zone. Nobody cares about your excuses. Self-improvement is not a nice little journey you casually take. It's war. And right now, you're still hiding. You owe yourself the pain you've been avoiding. You owe yourself the grind that scares you to your core. And if you don't wake up now, your best self will die inside you quietly while you scroll through another pointless motivational meme. This is your warning. This is your reality check. Stop fooling yourself with improving. Start suffering. Start confronting the weak, soft version of yourself. This is your year to prove everything wrong. I know what you're thinking, but I'm trying. I'm working on myself. Stop lying. Stop sugarcoating. You're not trying. You're dabbling. You're testing the waters while life is dragging you under. You vs you. That's the real fight, not some self-help fantasy, not another morning routine video. You against the version of yourself that refuses to suffer, that screams for comfort, that whispers, "I'll start tomorrow." Pay your debt. Stop being soft. Those are not just words, they're a warning. Your comfort is killing you slowly. Every single day you avoid true suffering, you're dying a little inside. You think you're tired, that you've had a hard day. Let me tell you something, tired doesn't even begin to cover it. You haven't even scratched the surface of real pain yet. Real suffering, real growth. Your comfort zone is a coffin, and every excuse you make nails another plank on that lid. If you want the truth, it's brutal, it's ugly. And it's the only thing that will set you free. The real self-improvement truth. It's not in reading, not in journaling, not in a podcast. It's in facing the storm when everyone else is hiding. It's in running through the rain at 4 a.m. When your body screams, stay in bed. It's in lifting weights while your mind is screaming, stop. That's where the real change lies. Let me tell you a story. I remember one morning, pitch black outside, cold biting into my bones, legs screaming with every step. Every fiber of me wanted to quit, wanted to crawl back into the warmth and safety. But I didn't, because I realized something: the only way out is through. The only way to become the person you're pretending to be is to walk through the pain, not around it. You think this is easy? Nah, it's brutal. You'll cry, you'll curse, you'll beg for mercy. But the moment you embrace it, the moment you stare your weakness in the eye and refuse to blink, that's when self-improvement stops being a lie. That's when it becomes a weapon. Everything you fear, that's where your strength lies. Everything you run from, that's exactly what will make you untouchable. The world doesn't respect your dreams. It doesn't respect your intentions. It only respects results, and results come from discipline, pain. Unstoppable, relentless pressure that breaks you and rebuilds you stronger. You think you're ready. You're not yet. And if you don't hit the gas right now, someone else will surpass you while you're still planning. Move, suffer, kill, comfort, no. Teach yourself improvement. TRIH isn't waiting for you to finish your coffee. It's out there and it's brutal. Every time you choose ease, every time you choose soft, the version of yourself that could have dominated this year is dying slowly. And let me tell you something, you'll never forgive yourself for that. Pain is the currency. Discipline is the path. Comfort is the lie. Look in the mirror. Do you deserve the life you're asking for? Do you deserve to be soft, average, invisible? Or are you willing to bleed for every inch of greatness you want to claim? It's quiet now, but that silence is screaming. And if you don't listen the next year, the next decade will scream back at you. You failed. You chose comfort. Your future self is watching. Every excuse, every skipped session, every moment you chose easy. Your future self is keeping score, and the score, it's not in your favor if you stay soft. Stop blaming circumstances. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop pretending improvement is nice and neat. You were built in the dark, forged in struggle, designed to push beyond limits. And if you're not hurting, if you're not breaking, if you're not sweating through the pain, you're wasting that design. The moment you realize you're capable of more than your comfort allows, that's when the game changes. That's when self-improvement stops being a lie. This is your year. Not next year. Not after you prepare or plan. Right now, move through the pain. Own your mornings. Conquer your weakness. Every rep, every mile, every grueling, miserable second. It's shaping a warrior. And a warrior doesn't wait. A warrior doesn't sugarcoat the truth. The real sell-off I am pure vementir uoche. It's not pretty. It's not easy. It's not polite. It's ruthless. And it's the only path to greatness. You were built in the dark. Now prove it. Show up when everyone else is hiding. Run when everyone else is resting. Lift when everyone else is whining. Every drop of sweat, every tear, every scar. It's the price of authenticity. The price of real transformation. Pain isn't optional. Discipline isn't negotiable. Comfort is the enemy. And guess what? The moment you start treating it like war, that's the moment self I am mini stops being a lie. That's the moment you take control. That's the moment you become unstoppable. Stay disciplined. Stay dangerous. Stay beyond the pain line. Because this is where the real wars are born. This is where excuses die. This is where sell-off IMPROVM finally becomes real. Stop pretending. Stop waiting. Stop being soft. For the love of everything that matters, move beyond the pain line.